Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sportage door handle. First, you will need to locate the small access cover on the side of the door, typically found on the door jamb. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool, gently pry off this cover. Beneath it, you will find one screw or bolt. Remove this fastener completely. Once the screw is out, carefully slide the lock cylinder or the blanking cap straight out from the handle assembly. Now that the lock cylinder or cap is removed, gently pull the outer door handle outward, as if you were opening the door. This action will often reveal one or two additional screws that were previously hidden. These fasteners typically secure the main handle assembly to the door panel. Use the appropriate screwdriver, usually a Phillips head, to loosen and completely remove these screws. Take care not to drop them inside the door cavity. With the main screws removed, the handle assembly should now be loose. Before you can fully remove it, you will need to disconnect any internal connecting rods or cables. These are usually attached with small plastic clips. Gently rotate or pry these clips to release the rods or cables. Pay close attention to how each component is attached, perhaps even taking a quick photo, as this will greatly assist you during the reinstallation process. Work slowly to avoid breaking any delicate plastic parts. Once all the rods and cables are detached, you can now carefully slide the entire door handle assembly out from the door panel. It might require a slight wiggle or a specific angle to fully release it. Take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining clips or unseen fasteners that might have been overlooked. Remember, putting the new or repaired handle back in place is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.